guys? MrAlanC, and I'm checking out some sneakers from Hawkwell. Let's see what's in the shoebox. Alright, so if we take a look here, it's packaged really nicely. It's got the tag on there, Hawkwell, understated, not underwhelming. And I went with the black color. These are really dressy. And you know, you can even wear these as a work shoe. They're so nice looking, so clean. And let's put the other one out. Wow, can't wait to try these on. Let me give you like a 360 look at them here. Pre-laced, it looks really good. I had the choice of white or black. And you know, some fresh white kicks are nice, but these you can wear to work. Take a look at the grip. Wow, nice grip there on the sole. Let's try these on. I'm pretty excited. All right, guys, just finished lacing them, and my foot slipped right in there. Feels incredible. Like I said, it was pre-laced, super grippy on the soles right here. And yeah, let's go try them out. Let's do a little walk test. I feel really great, comfortable. I can see wearing these out, casual events, or like I said, around the office because they're black. Just perfect. Thank you for checking these out with me. That's a quick look at them. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.